my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. I want to talk about the rights of an unmarried father with respect to parenting time and all that. You know, when there's a child that is born out of a marital union, there's a presumption that both parents, they have a right to parent the child equally. You start out from that place. Now, it could be that as a result of things that go on, one parent may have those rights diminished. If they both have the same general rights, but it turns out that one of those parents is a drug addict or an alcoholic, that's going to impact the equal, quality of that particular custody arrangement might be impacted, and perhaps, it should be impacted, right? On the other hand, if they're all equal, if all the fields are pretty much the same, you got a marital couple, and they're going to have the same set of rights. And if they can't agree, they're going to have the court decide who gets what in the way of custody. A non-married union is different. If a child is born out of a non-married union, the rights are a little bit different in that there's a presumption of custody in favor of mom. What does that mean? That means for the dad to get custody rights, they're not forced upon him by virtue of a marriage. He doesn't have them. He's going to have to go to court and get them. If he does nothing, the presumption is mom has custody. He's got some parenting time. Those would be his rights. He's got a right to see his kid at his schedule. If they can work out a schedule, that's great. If they cannot work out a schedule, the court will work out one for him. But those are his rights. He's got the privilege of paying child support as well. Now, if he wants more than that, though, if he wants to either enforce those rights or get custody rights, he's got to go to court and get them. And why? Because there's no legal relationship that vests him with those rights like a marriage. This is a non-marital union. So he's going to have to go to court. He's going to have to file the appropriate motions. He's going to have to explain to the court why he should participate in that custody. And he's going to have to overcome a certain burden. And what he has to overcome is the fact that there's a presumption in favor of mom. So it's not like there's a presumption that they're equally entitled. He's got to overcome that presumption that, yes, mom would normally get this, but in this case she shouldn't. And why? A, B, C, and D. He's going to have to bring his proofs before the court. Does he have a right to do it? Yes. Does he have to pursue custody? Doesn't have to. He'll still be entitled to parenting time, but he may well have to pursue that also if the mother doesn't give it to him voluntarily. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.